and welcome to the 11th day of 13 days of horrible crafts and even scarier stories. This series will consist of 13 days of crafty goodness and our dearly departed Edgar Allan Poe. Brand new tale of woe, and I don't just mean the crafts, will grace your screens every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in October at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please stick around by subscribing so you can enjoy all 13 days. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the tale of Spirits of the Dead. Thy soul shall find itself alone, mid dark thoughts of the gray tombstone, not one of all the crowd to pry into thine hour of secrecy. Be silent in that solitude, which is not loneliness, for then the spirits of the dead who stood in life before thee and again, in death around thee in their will, shall overshadow thee. Be still. The night, though clear, shall frown, and the stars shall not look down from their high thrones in the heaven, with light like hope to mortals given, but their red orbs without beam to thy weariness shall seem as a burning and a fever which would cling to thee forever. Now are thoughts thou shalt not banish, now are visions ne'er to vanish, from thy spirit shall thy pass, no more like dewdrop from the grass. The breeze, the breath of God is still, and the mist upon the hill, shadowy, shadowy yet unbroken, is a symbol and a token, how it hangs upon the trees, a mystery of mysteries. I do sincerely hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see the rest of this series, please stick around by clicking that red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so much for watching, and you will hear me in the next one. Take care.